Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us find out why is fiber good for weight loss, its benefits to include it in your diet with a healthy recipe. Let us start. Soluble fiber is a natural appetite suppressant that suppresses your appetite and hence you eat less, resulting in weight loss. Fiber plays a significant role in our digestion process and regularizes the bowel movements. The texture in the indigestible part of the plant food that may be present in vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, and beans. It is in the form of carbohydrate that helps to keep your digestive system healthy. There are three types of fibers in plant food with various health benefits, which are soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, and resistant starch. Soluble fiber helps to keep you fuller for longer. Insoluble fiber softens the food contents and helps in proper bowel movements, whereas resistant starch does not digest and passes to the large intestine, where it produces good bacteria and improves bowel movements. Now let us see the benefits of including fiber in your diet. Fiber is essential in our daily diet as it has several health benefits. Fiber is good for the digestion process and helps in regular bowel movements. It keeps you fuller for longer, thus you do not feel like eating any fatty foods in between meals. It helps in lowering cholesterol and blood pressure and protects from various diseases. High fiber foods are filling and they stay longer, taking enough time to digest, so you tend to eat fewer calories. Fiber-rich foods reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases, hence you live longer. Now let us see how fiber plays an excellent role for weight loss. Belly fat is extremely unhealthy and results in increasing risk of cardiovascular diseases. The good news is that the intake of high fiber foods may help to reduce belly fat. However, soluble fiber is good for weight loss, but it is not advisable to eat lots of soluble fiber, which may cause side effects. It may come as stomach cramps, diarrhea, and bloating. Nevertheless, soluble fiber helps to keep the gut healthy and lowers your weight by reducing your appetite. Now let us see a recipe of fiber-rich smoothie for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need carrot half cup chopped, apple half cup chopped, beetroot 1/4 cup chopped, chia seeds 1 tablespoon and water 1 cup. Please note down the method to prepare the smoothie. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. I hope the information was beneficial for you and henceforth include more of fiber in your diet to remain healthy and free from various ailments. Thank you.